Is your Cash App card request getting declined? Don't worry, because in today's video, we will show you the most common reasons why your Cash App card application is being declined and how you can fix it very quickly. So the first thing that you need to do is to check your available Cash App balance. You just have to make sure you have enough funds in your account. Go to your activity and check if your balance is too low or empty. Cash App may decline your card request, so keeping some money in your account shows that your account is active and you have multiple transactions ready. And of course, make sure you have enough savings. So check if you have enough money to cover future expenses. While this isn't always a requirement, maintaining a healthy balance and using your account responsibly can improve your overall account standing. And if you haven't actually ordered your Cash App card yet, you won't receive one. I know it's obvious, but just to be sure, when you go to the Cash App, go to the card section and complete the order process. Matter of fact, you have the ability to customize your card by choosing its name, adding your preferred dollar cash tag, or even your color that represents your identity, your brand or logo, and selecting available design options. Keep in mind that the design options may be limited depending on your account type. And then let me tell you this, one of the most common reasons for a declined Cash App card request is an unverified account. So to do that, you want to make sure to go to your profile and complete all the required verification details. This may include confirming identity with your full name, date of birth, and other information requested by Cash App. And make sure you have a valid payment method linked to your Cash App account. Your linked debit card or bank account should be active and not expired. Having a verified payment method is an important part of keeping your account in good standing. Now, if you've tried everything and your Cash App card is still being declined, it's time to contact the Cash App support. So explain the issue and ask them to review your account. They can identify any restrictions or account-specific problems that may be preventing your card request from being approved. And basically, that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix a Cash App card that's being declined. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.